Home Remedies presents
Dissolve uric acid crystals naturally. 5 super herbs. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will inform you about the 5 super herbs that everyone suffering from uric acid, gout, etc. should include in their diet. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. The uric acid crystals are created by purines, compounds which are naturally found in wine, aged cheese, shellfish, mushrooms, and organ meat. They accumulate in the joints and contribute to the development of gout. Luckily, the use of certain herbs can help dissolve these crystals and reduce the uric acid levels in the bloodstream. Sour black cherries. It is recommended to consume 1/4 dozen to 2 dozen cherries daily in order to prevent gout attacks, or take a glass of fresh black cherries. Why it works? Antioxidant-rich sour black cherries can help in reducing pain and inflammation caused because of kidney stones and gout. Hence, sour black cherries prove effective in dissolving uric acid. It also reduces the serum level in the acid. These cherries neutralize uric acid crystals and reduce excess amount of uric acid in the body. Burdock root. It is recommended to consume 20 to 30 drops of burdock root tincture mixed with 8 oz of water 3 to 4 times daily. Consume this tincture for a few days. Why it works? The burdock root has been widely used as an alternative remedy against various types of arthritis, including the acute gout attack. This herb is also very useful to cleanse toxins from the blood and reduce inflammation. Alfalfa sprouts. You can consume alfalfa sprouts in the form of salad or in a sandwich filling, or even as a topping in your meals. Why it works? As reported in medical herbalism, alfalfa sprouts can raise the pH in the body due to its strong alkalizing properties. It has the ability to dissolve the uric acid crystals, particularly because uric acid is dissolved in alkaline environment in the body. Fresh lemon juice. 1 glass of fresh lemon juice every day can help in dissolving uric acid. Why it works? Vitamin C rich lemon herbs can reduce inflammation in the body by increasing formation of calcium carbonate in the body. Lemon juice can be made using herbs. Lemon juice contains citric acid, an organic substance which can help in dissolving uric acid crystals. It also decreases concentration of uric acid in the body. Vitamin C strengthens the connective tissue and reduces pain in joints. Devil's claw. In case of gout, take about 500 to 700 mg of devil's claw 3 times a day. Why it works? This herb is abundant in substances which reduce uric acid levels in the blood. It is widely used as natural remedy for numerous arthritis symptoms including gout. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.